Dan over at Dan's Chopshop has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. Dan was the perfect one to kick off the Silva challenge because Dan's imagination is downright scary at times. And these builds are perfect for him. He does some fantastic builds in this science fiction type theme. And you really need to check out his channel and check out his videos to see some of the other things he's created. He did a fantastic job with this box, oh crap. So in the description for this video, I do have links to his YouTube channel. He also has a Facebook page, and there's also a link to the video, the build video itself, where he goes through the steps he did to create this. There's some of his other builds. You can see they're pretty wild. So thanks for participating in this, Dan. Thanks to everyone for watching. Be sure again and check out his channel. Special thanks also to my Patreon supporters. It's their help that makes it possible for me to send out these packages to see how creative people can be. Thank you all very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.